Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a super easy baby dinosaur. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to draw the head. So we could start with the smile and then we can draw the head around the smile. So the part of the cheek, and then just draw super duper big circle like that. You could just do parts like this. So I'm like doing part by part this way. In my opinion, it's easier because I could tell how the circle is gonna look. And then you just close it like this, and then the part of the neck is just right there. And now for this part, you could just connect it like this. Perfect. All right, now we can draw the body. We'll do the details after. So now we can draw the belly part, which is over here, and you could have a different color here. You could separate it like this. Now we're gonna draw the leg. So you just draw a straight line down. All right. Now just draw a curved line, sort of like this, and then curve the body like this. And then you could draw little toes like this. So, and you can continue the belly over here, so like this. We can draw the rest of the body now. You draw a lump on the back. All the way down like this. Once you do that, this is going to be another leg. So then you just draw another straight line down. And then curve the bottom and then draw two lumps. All right. Now we can draw the leg behind here like that, and now the leg in the front. You just got to draw a straight line like this, and a straight line like this, and draw another curved line. But now since it's like this, you could draw the bottom of the foot, so you just got to draw a curve like that, and then two little lumps. For the tail, it's just really simple. You just gotta just curve the top and then go down. And if you ever feel like you need to like catch up or anything, you could always pause the video. So then you just gotta draw it down like this and kind of make it go like a little C, but backwards. And then you could just draw it and continue the belly all the way up to the end of the tail. So this is the body. We can do the eye now. The eye, you have to draw big oval. Like this. And now draw a curve like this and kind of make it look like a rainbow. Like that. You can draw the highlight like this. Just draw a little circle, and now you can color in anything behind it. And stop at the line right here. Don't do anything behind it. All right. Now you could finish here, or you could just add a little more detail. You just gotta draw spots anywhere you want. I like drawing the spots like on the back. Then you can color these in after. You can draw them in the front over here or here. Anything you want. All right, you can make them different sizes, just like this. All right, it's time to color. The colors I'm going to use are Parma Violet, Lilac, Violet, and Blonde Wood. thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!